Hi there, smart traders, and welcome to another fantastic week. My name is Francois. I am the senior analyst and trading specialist here at Smart Online Trader, and I'm going to be taking you through the market today. We are going to have a look at a specific company again this week, where we are going to be looking for those trading opportunities. Before we do this, kindly just familiarize yourself with the risk disclosure currently on your screen, bearing in mind that everything that I will be sharing during this video is purely my opinion of the market and should not be taken as financial advice. That being said, let's get into it. Let's start chatting. Let's have a look at this specific company. So today's company, or this week's company that we are going to be looking at, is Alibaba.com. So now, if you do not know who Alibaba is, they are an absolute e-commerce giant. They are listed on the New York Stock Exchange, and they currently have a share price around $80. Okay. Now, what specifically intrigues me about this company at the moment is over the last few days, we could see that from a technical aspect, the market is starting to turn. We are starting to break through our EMAs, and this is starting to indicate that first signs of bullish momentum. We can also see that the valuation metrics of this specific stock is currently showing that the company is severely undervalued. They currently hold a B value stock rating. So this clearly indicates that, there's still strong buying potential and that we can start getting into the specific trade, looking for those longer term setups, looking for those swing trades, and then looking to seriously profit off this specific stock. And as I stated on the thumbnail for this specific video, it wasn't just clickbait. It was purely there as a fact that there is definitely a potential to make 100% growth on your investments on this specific trade. So looking at this from a more in-depth point of view, we can see that the financial health and growth prospects and the operational leverage that this company holds clearly demonstrates that it still has the potential to outperform the rest of the market. And, it kind of limits as well the entry of competitors because of the fact that this specific e-commerce giant is just so big that there isn't really much space for anyone to come and oppose them on that. The stock has so far obviously seen a lot of downtime and a lot of decline over the last few years. This was primarily because of COVID and the fact that there are still COVID restrictions within China. Okay. Now, these extended lockdowns in China has definitely curbed the demand for any products from this specific company, and obviously additional regulatory concerns and overall economic slowdown in China has severely affected this company specific and this stock price. However, with lockdowns in China soon expected to start easing, to start pulling back, to start showing that, first signs that they are going to start opening up again, this can severely impact the demand for this specific stock and definitely show some serious gains in this specific stock price. So this could obviously show massive growth for this e-commerce giant, and it still holds 47% of the market share within this region. So looking at the actual charts on this specific stock, as I said, we are around that $80 share price at the moment. So short term, I'm aiming for that $120 level, and long term, I'm aiming for that $160 level. So that's my swing trade. It isn't even the stock's all-time high. It's halfway to the stock's all-time high. So definitely a more than reasonable target. But if we are currently on $80 a share price and we go to $160 a share price, that is you doubling your investment. So as I said, not clickbait, pure fact. So that this is definitely a potential. If you are trading this from a CFD point of view, I would obviously use a stop loss. We don't trade without those. And my stop loss will be placed just under that $60 level. So you can see those previous low points. It's around that $60, $58 level. That is round about where I'll place my stop loss. If you want to be a bit more conservative, you can go down to about 50, even maybe 40. and you will still be able to show absolutely fantastic growth on this specific trade. Traders, I trust that this analysis is going to assist you in profiting from the market. If you did enjoy this video, please smash that like button. Remember to subscribe. And as always, may the force be with you. Cheers.